Hello everybody, so today we will be taking a look at the December edition of the America Expack. So, quick look, you can see all the contents of the box from the outside. So let's go ahead and open it on up. Get a nice Expack logo, some information. So this month seems rather Mexican-American inspired, which is fine by me. Starting off, we got a nice box of Spanish rice here. Very cool. This looks like some kind of baggie. It says life is better with tacos. Very nice. Couple bags of original taco seasoning. A big box of 12 yellow corn taco shells. Got some couple boxes of the original Red Hots cinnamon flavored candies. Another box of those. This looks like a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Some packaging here. Then finish it off with some Frank's Red Hot original sauce. Very nice. So I just wanted to give my opinion really quickly on what I thought of the Expack. So basically the reason that I ordered it was because I'm currently living abroad in Poland right now. As you can probably tell, I'm from the United States. And so I just kind of wanted for Christmas some stuff from home. But kind of unfortunately, it's a bunch of like Mexican American products. Not that I don't like Mexican food. It's just not what I was exactly hoping for, because I mean, in that stuff they even I'm able to get here. So I bought this for $17.50, I believe, because it was half off, something like that, because it was Black Friday. The original price is $35, plus I would have had to pay, or I had to pay another $10 for shipping. So it would have been $45 regularly. I think it was only around $30 total. For what it was, I don't think I would get another one of these boxes unless I was sure what was in it. I thought I would be getting ranch, which I didn't, but it's okay. So maybe I'll try it again sometime in the future. But overall, sadly, I'm a little disappointed. I was really looking forward to it. So, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions about it from me or anything like that, feel free to ask. And yeah, thanks for watching.